Where are we going?
At Costco.
Costco. Just me and Leah. Let's see how busy it is today. You gonna help me push? You're gonna sit down? Are you sure you don't want to help me push? Oh yes, it's very chill today. Do you like it when it's chill? That means that there's more samples for us. It's been a while since I've been to Costco. I've been going often, obviously, vlogging a lot. Just been buying so much food. These girls are eating so much these days. That is huge. That's the biggest display I've ever seen of anything here. 2,000 bucks? It's incredible all the things that Costco sells now, including this thing right here. Ready for the summer. First item on the shopping list is batteries, but Judy doesn't tell me what kind of batteries. She just literally just said get batteries. So I'm gonna get one of each just because I remember the last time we bought these. Who can relate to this? During the pandemic. I remember March 2020 during the pandemic. It was crazy in here. I didn't have you yet. You weren't born yet.
I was a baby.
Yeah, you were just born. She was just born that year. But I remember people were just so crowded. It was more crowded in here than it was during like Black Friday. It was shoulder to shoulder. The line was all the way down the store to get in. I remember I got there at, I want to say like 7 a.m., way before they were open. And I remember Chris was with me. Chris, you remember that? And I told my sister to come. I said, we need to go to Costco right now. They're like, what are you talking about? I was like, trust me, we need to go. And guess what? I was totally right because we were at the front of the line. But by the time the doors opened, there was a line all the way around the whole store, like literally the whole building. There was like, it's not even like that on Black Friday. People were in a crazy panic. Now, I was not panicking, but I knew, I was like, hey, before things get crazy, let's just get all the staples, all the things that we can just like store. And one of those things were batteries. And literally 4 years later, we just got through all the batteries. So crazy. And now we have you, and you're so beautiful. Who would have ever thought? They rearranged some things. This is the third aisle from the edge, and they put all the booze here for some reason. In our Costco, they don't rearrange the aisles, so this is kind of new for us. And we just ran out of champagne, so this is the first booze I'll be buying. Best deal on champagne, legit from France too. So this is a brand of red wine that I like, the Cole, the Merlot. 20 bucks, which is all right. So I'm gonna buy 2 bottles of it. You know, sometimes I buy the cheap bottles, 9 bucks, 12 bucks, and then sometimes it's good. But then sometimes it's not good. Then I buy the expensive stuff, right? 20 bucks, 50 bucks, whatever. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. Here you go. I'm curious what your protocol is when trying to buy booze. You know, with liquor, it's just easier. You kind of know what you're getting. Usually you pay for the quality stuff. But when it comes to wine, it's so subjective. I'm completely clueless. I usually just buy something kind of middle of the road. Above $10, you know you're not getting something crazy cheap. Below 50 bucks, then you're not just paying for the label. So me, I try to stay within $20 to $30 range. Let's get some watermelon. Let me see. Oh, that one's got like a deep gash in it. Let's go over here. Maybe I'll grab this one right here. All right. Should we eat this when we get home? Yeah. Now that it's getting warmer, it is melon season. Here in Washington, we don't usually get local melons until about July, maybe August and September.
Buy more strawberries.
More strawberries? Okay, we will get strawberries. Definitely get a lot of. And blueberries? Yeah, we'll get blueberries too. We're gonna start getting strawberries as well by the end of next month, maybe June, but this is what we're buying today. These look actually really good. You see your breath? So I'm gonna grab some green beans. I feel like we were eating them so much we got tired of them, so we haven't had them in a while. Our favorite green beans at a restaurant are Din Tai Fung. Those garlic or I don't know, wok fried green beans. They're oily but not too oily. So flavorful. They've got to be using some MSG. What's that?
It's corn.
Corn? Yeah. These ones look way better than the other packs. These ones have a whole bunch of non-ripe ones. They picked those way too early. This one though, must have been the last batch. Looks good. How about this? Okay. Let's see if the bananas are yellow today. Sometimes the bananas aren't yellow, or they look like they're not really that good. Oh, I think I spotted a good one right here. All right. They're not yellow, but they look like they're gonna ripen correctly. So yeah, we'll get these. So I've been doing a lot of noodles lately, and one of the dishes I've always wanted to cook is pho. I've never cooked it before. I thought it'd be fun to vlog me cooking pho for the first time. I'm not sure what kind of bones or kind of meat should I be using for pho. I'm not sure if this is the right one, but I always hear about oxtail. Should I be using oxtail for pho? I'm gonna buy these bones, and hopefully that's the right one. Kind of expensive, 40 bucks. I'll make a huge batch though. It's been fun documenting me cooking these different dishes for the first time. You know, before I used to only make recipe videos of dishes that I knew how to make. So now I'm sharing with you guys the journey of learning to make new dishes. So this will be exciting to try to make pho, because actually this was a request of Judy's. Okay, what is going on here? Oreo cheesecake bites. Oh my gosh. You want to buy this? Junior's. It's a cheesecake place, I believe, in New York City. I think I have to get this. I think, you know, normally Daddy doesn't like getting desserts, but this, we'll get this. It's kind of a special treat. Once in a while, I do like to treat us out. This right here, what is going on here? It's funny, there isn't even enough for all of us. We don't buy Oreos a lot, but I do love them. They're just so good. Oh yeah, macaroons. Macarons? We just got the Oreo thing. You want? Which one would you rather have, macarons or the Oreo cheesecakes?
My ones. My ones.
You're the one that wanted the Oreo.
No, I want my ones. I tell you my
She just likes the colorfulness of it. We've never got those. We're not gonna get them. Whoa, look at this. Bite-sized pancakes. Those look awesome. Oh, you're gonna like it, okay? Trust me. Trust me. No, you're gonna like it. You're gonna like it. Hey, why'd you ask for it then? Come on. Speaking of cheese, I need to load up on some Parmesan cheese. We ran out the other day, which is rare because I always have this on hand, but I used it all up. So one of the reasons why Leah comes here is because of samples, but sadly, I was gonna say sadly there's no samples, but we just spotted some samples. Okay, we're gonna go over there, but we have to go to another section after that, okay? Yeah, we're gonna go see, all right? I think you might like it. Potato salad. Thank you. Why don't you just try a little bite? Just a little bit. You don't want it? It's a classic. I guess I'll eat this. Potato salad. It's good. Man, something about classic American style potato salad. Makes me think about summer barbecue. We need Topo Chico. Hey, do not climb on that. So as you know, we love the Kerrygold butter, but there's something I've never seen before. A sale on the butter. $3 off? I'll take it. Hopefully they didn't just raise the price of the butter. But hey, $3 off, I'll get a few. And then, you know what? I'll get some unsalted butter too. Lately when I've been cooking, sometimes I wish it was unsalted. There you go. What's that? It's too cold? Okay, let's get out of here. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Wait, actually, we need milk. Sorry, we need milk. We need milk. Because you girls drink so much milk. Hey, can you grab the milk, please? Go grab the milk. Can you grab one? How sweet is this? All right. Does Daddy need to lift it? All right, here, let me try. Let's do it together, okay? You get one side. Here. You get this side, that right there, and I get this side. No, you carry the other side. There you go. Good. Thank you. Wow, you're so strong. It's pretty sweet. She didn't even question it. She just went for it. That's my girl right there. Greg's Ranch. People that love this really love it. Growing up though, I was all about that. What's it called? Hidden Valley. Hidden Valley Ranch. Rainbow popsicles? Okay, yeah, we'll get rainbow popsicles. I'm gonna get 2 of these. I'm actually gonna give one of these to my friend who loves this stuff too. Sashimi spicy tuna cucumber roll. Sounds kind of good. What is that? It's not rainbow pops. This girl's on a mission right now. What are you looking for right now? Huh? This is a refrigerated section, so they're not gonna have that. But you know what I do want is this coconut water. I never would have thought they would have this brand of coconut water at Costco. This is pretty fancy. I remember the first time I ever saw this, it was at Whole Foods when coconut water was becoming a thing. But back in the day, that coconut water, it was just clear, just like what coconut water looks like. But for whatever reason, over the years, all of their coconut water turned pink. They're the only brand that does that, as far as I know. And they said it's a natural occurrence. But why is it that I've only seen it with that brand specifically? I don't know. It doesn't affect the flavor, but it makes me wonder. Why that way? Oh, okay. Well, we don't need anything. Well, actually, you know what? Mommy did say get some snacks. Get this. It's so empty. It's so empty. It's empty. No. I'm saying in the Costco, it's so empty. Kind of eerie.
I want to have one in the healthy.
I thought you want chicken bake.
No, I want that healthy in bake. Chicken bake is healthy, and I can have this.
Oh, chicken bake is healthy, and you can have this with it because chicken bake is healthy.
And soda.
Okay, and soda too? Okay, that's maybe a little bit too much.
Please, I want healthy.
Okay, no. All right, so Judy says I need to get some snacks for the girls. This is the classic Lay's potato chips multi-pack. Got your cheddar and sour cream, potato chips, Cool Ranch, nacho cheese, barbecue, Cheetos. But I like this one. Look at this. Spicy sweet chili Doritos,
Is it
chili
spicy?
cheese,
Is it
corn
spicy?
chips, Cheeto puffs,
Daddy.
Funyuns.
Daddy,
All about that.
is it
But,
spicy?
oh, that's spicy? Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the cheddar jalapeno Cheetos. But
Is it
dang,
spicy?
Flamin' Hot, the original, the OG right there. So lately we've been buying the Johnny Pops. It's a healthier popsicle, less ingredients. Do you see them? Are you looking? Wait, where are they? Oh, maybe they don't have them. Maybe the popsicles are somewhere else, maybe on the other side. But you know what we do need is frozen fruit. Girls are going through this like crazy. First off, strawberry. Goes with so many things that we make. Oh yeah, cherry. That's my favorite right there. The dark cherry. Girls are using this a lot as well. You know, I wasn't a big fan of these. I'd just rather eat Oreo ice cream by itself or an Oreo. We're looking for those Johnny Pops. Hey, I think they're on the other side. They do have this one. A Daybreak blend. Peaches, mango, strawberry, pineapple. Girls love all those, so we'll get that one. Judy had a unusual request. I think I found it. I think this is what she's looking for. She's looking for a hamper that collapses. This doesn't really collapse, honey. Oh, good job. That's actually what mommy needed, but we were gonna get the Kirkland brand. Right there, we need that one right there, here. Thank you. That one, yeah. Can you handle that? There you go, put it below. Oh my gosh, Leah, you don't even know, because it was before your time, but they're back. Black Forest Organic Gummy Bears. These are the bombest, the best. I got so tempted. Okay, I'm gonna buy it. Do you want some gummy bears? Because these are my favorite. These are Daddy's favorite right here. Actually, there's another brand that's a little better, but. And then also another thing that girls like right here, this Black Forest fruit strips. You want to get this one too? Which one would you rather have in the car? This or the gummy bears?
The bunny bun.
Gummy bears? Here, can I put this down below, please?
Huh?
Right there. Put it on the bottom.
Why? Put
it right there. Yeah, I'm buying that. Buying both of those. Thank you. I'm a sucker for gummy bears. So the girls have testing coming up, and Judy wants me to buy Z-bars for their classes.
I like free bars.
You like Z-bars?
How about me? I like free bars too.
Okay, come on now. You always get everything. This is our cart. Actually bought way more than I thought I was, but it's worth it.
Daddy,
Especially those Oreo cheesecakes. I've been eyeing those. We're finally done. Ready? Ready for a chicken bake? Maybe a cookie for me. Thank you very much. So the bill today is $570, which I know is a lot, but we had to buy a whole bunch of snacks for the kids' school. Those Z-bars, what's inside of Z-bars that cost so much? Each one of those boxes is $23 each. I think 23 and some change. That plus the booze, quite the bill. Come here, Leah.